Me I go say it again. Every sensible Jamaicans, every sensible people in our world, tell me, how you gonna make a budget and you don't earn the money? What you gonna budget offer? Eh? What you have a budget, your dream? It's a dream jet. I want bucket, brother. I'm bucket to that big hole. Me I tell her that. You see, me I tell her this. As someone knows saying, you see, if you follow politics, I really Mark Golden was Omar Davis' financial advisor. Believe me to God. See, as a youth growing up, me used to follow politics because my grandfather. But listen, now I get to find out, say, really Mark Golden was really Omar Davis' financial advisor when in a FinSac, in the great meltdown of Jamaican economy. You hear me telling Mark Golden? I'm telling you why I say that now. Just for the way Mark Golden come put out a budget speech with no dollars. For sure you say. A Mark Golden brain wreck the country, yeah. All our people them, big up yourself labor yard. All our people them on the live, all our people them who have sense. We just put it together and say, Mark Golden can't run Jamaica. Mark Golden brain mash up Jamaica, yeah. Just remember me telling you that now, Mark Golden brain was the brain that clapped down 44,000 business in Jamaica, plus 28 financial institute. Mark Golden brain was the brain. And him show you that in a budget speech. Him show you that in a budget speech. Say him a theme brain mash up Jamaica. I want to go check it and check if Mark Golden wasn't Omar Davis' financial advisor in the 90s when Jamaica sink, when Jamaica economy go down on the ground. The man budget speech show you that. I want me say that Monty Perkins used to tell you, there is a hole in the budget, dear Homer, There is a hole in the budget, dear Homer. You see that the speech there where Mark Golden did? I want bucket to do a hole. We do a big hole. Everything in putting like this a drop out. Why Kevin, me not turn a line here, can know your PNP, yo. One thing, me I tell you this. I should have told Jamaica, Kevin, me I tell her. You know what me I tell her, say I should have told Jamaica. It's ironically, it's so sad, brother. That's all of these people who you see on these live. And me, as a labourite, I vote for secure fair pitney future. A fool like you. You see me I show you, Kevin? Me say, see a fool like you, brother. Are we, who you see as labourite, and Andrew Owen is who you hate. Are we a secure fair pitney future and a idiot boy? Suppose you know no sense, you know? Go and check out it, you know. You see people like you, fear ancestors and fear people in finger put Jamaica 30 years back. Fear ancestors and fear people in finger bring down Jamaica. Lock down 44,000 businesses plus 28 bank. Put unemployment rate to a sky and shove up murder. You hear me telling you? Build back road. Make go club full. Make all the little girl them now nothing for the but go skin out and sell them body. Phone the government do that, brother. Phone the government. FinSac country and do that. Imagine it, brother. Any government, you know, achieve that feat, you know, for lock down 44,000 business, you know, brother. Okay, tell me now. Which PNP can tell me, say, for them government do sit no good to your country. Which government can lock down 44,000 business and tell me, say, you're the good government, you wanna be? Oh, wanna be? Watch this idiot. Say me telling you, yo. Here where dog say. FBI and labor right do that. Yo, you see all uno? Father God tell you, yo, love the green flag. Yeah, say all uno no sense. We are fool, uno idiot PNP. Yo, me I tell you for worship labor rights. Because I make fool no pick me have a good future. Watch you know. Me I tell you this PNP who hate labor rights. For we vote, I gonna make Jamaica, make you live for see Jamaica be a first world country in the Caribbean. For we finger, I gonna make uno, for uno pitney them, live, come have. If not for uno pitney them, I don't know like a little genius pitney them, the one we call nerd. For we finger, I gonna make for uno pitney them, have STEM school, School for all of them look nerdy. We can invent and do them thing. The few finger do that. Me I tell you no. Few finger I go bring unemployment rate to 1% or 0.99% in a Jamaica. We are gonna do that. And no. See all on the PNP, you can't stop it. I mean I tell you no say you can never stop it because watch out. You wouldn't have sense here. Just remember me tell you say you wouldn't have sense. And I feel you would feel what you want to mash up. You don't remember where I come from, bro. You remember where I come from, bro? Remember say, well, I will go to school in a PNP time. I don't feel like me a little 19-year-old and 20-year-old who can't country. Remember say we grew up on that system, bro. But you were never into politics. Like how, you know, we did younger, we did just love labor, right? But we never read into politics, so. So now we read into politics and really know and understand why we used to live under them conditions when we grew up, bro. Oh, me say PNP. When a little bit of knowledge I have, me can study and go research and find the truth about my history of politics in my country and why my country was like that. Why it have to take all of these years before certain things. Brother, 30 a year, you know. People have sent Westmoreland and them place there, you know, and sent me here, you know, and have water in a pipe, you know. 30 odd years, you know. People have sent me here and Westmoreland and these places, you know. I first them get asphalt on the road, you know. Brother, so tell me what we're PNP doing. I want to say PNP are good this and PNP are this. PNP are wickedest thing to Jamaicans. Oh no, sit down and know it. Oh no, PNP. Sit down with no eye. I want to know about you just love the orange shirt. So the orange shirt they want to put on, brother. Then goes down, you know. If I want to put on an orange shirt, every sense you know it lift out. I want to turn fool. Because, yo, there is no way. Oh no, can I love yourself, I love Jamaica. And vote for PNP. Vote for these MPs who don't have. And they have to live under the conditions they want to live, brother. I want to still be a PNP, bro. I want to know if you do because Andrew Wallace. Hear that? All this shit house you talk about Andrew make hungry. I make you hungry. I want this. Yo, boy, today is Sunday, you know. Go to KFC, go look, boy. Anyone I want this in the office, I want to shame. I want to shame on a finger. Shame on a brain. Shame on a belly. I want to shame on yourself. If you talk about Andrew Wallace make you hungry. You know what this? You know what I prove? I thank God. That's why I'm not black on you know. Yo, all like people in the life. And in over For You page. I want you to take a note of all of these worthless people who are saying they're hungry in Jamaica, you know. Jamaica, one country where the unemployment rate there, 3.5%. Yo, check the unemployment rate of Canada. Boy, yo, flex. When you flex done, boy, I'm not telling you, you know. Work this a kill on you know. Boy, I want thing with me, boy. I work too hard for hungry, boy. I can't hungry. Boy, I tell you this. I can't hungry, boy. I work too hard for hungry, boy. Come on. Yeah, boy. If I'm hungry for hungriness, I'm not talk about watch out. I'm not even want to talk about that. I just want Jamaica people to know. So watch out. Alright. Now I'm rate with Mr. Holness. Mr. Holness not promise Jamaican people. You see me? I never hear Mr. Holness come up and promise the people them, because promise can't go nowhere. Mr. Holness not make him don't make a speech where him can match up to. You see me? PNP pay promise. And it's one time the promise break down, you get to find out, say, yo, you know, say a foolish man attacks, say, but that can't happen. That can't happen, brother. It cannot happen. Some just want Jamaica people to know, say, watch out. Fees, a good governance is better than a promising government. So you me tell you no? Prosperity of a pipeline, and I always say that. And I know how me say that, bro. You me tell you, because I grew up. All of them idiot boy who in on 30, 35, 36, 37. You me tell you, 34, 33 year old, and I talk about PNP on the work list. One is a worthless set of shit house. I'm just going to say it for real. Who want vex, me just talk the truth, bro. Because, boy like me, who grew up in a PNP time, got school in a PNP time. We who got primary school in a PNP time. When me hear them talk about picnic and lunch and rare boy, in a PNP time, you know, Nutribullah and milk. Brother, Nutribullah and milk could have killed your school, bro. You hear me tell you? Yo, I don't feel like a joke. I race for my family, then race and cuss we. You see more time, my granny then give me money, you know, for buy Nutribullah car home and all my neighbor them. And see if me not bring it come, then cuss. Nutribullah would have come like how them a pick me nowadays. Like my little daughter, me buy beer snacks and sitting and show them. Nutribullah fill with snacks growing up. Yeah, me tell you no, but una go like you don't remember that, you know. Una look at idiot boy in my age, you know. Not for una we a jump up and talk about PNP. I wanna see they can no, unless you not girls, you know. Unless you not breed no girl, you know, set a PNP and go on a speak to them school and see the condition wanna youth them. Una for know see a whole heap of difference, you know, brother. I wanna feel thankful for this government, you know, bro. Cause all of we grew up. Yo, when me go my little daughter school and go on all the pipe side and go in the bathroom, I have to say, Jesus Christ, me can't believe. When me used to go to primary school, I dump we go to school in a boy. You know? So I want outside black bathroom, round there so. Stink, brother. A bush, if you ready to go shoot a bush more and go in the toilet them. Me can't tell you that when we go to school, boy. We not go in the toilet, not even go piss. Yeah, me tell you no. I wanna know it. And I make up them things. Wanna know it. You guys know say I don't lie me I tell. And you me tell you when me I go to school. Me I go piss in the bathroom. If I go piss in the bathroom, you're grounds boy. And why? 3 way bathroom dirty and stink. I wanna know it. We will have we grow up underneath it. Go on a picnic school now. If you not no geldings boy, me say, go on a picnic school now and go look how school. Go and look now. Go look on the conditions of school them where people them live under now. Where them a go where them a go to school under now. Go look at the classrooms. You me tell you no? But you not go on like you don't know them things. You only just love PNP over you love. Brother, you have to love on the country. You me say it, you know, you me tell a pit toilet man and them stink, brother. If you're going out with your friend and say you're grounds. You me tell you no? Police, me used to watch news, you know. I see police are come. Police are strike. News team are going to police station and show a bucket, rain a fall, police are flood out. Fireman are flood out. Hospital are flood out. How comes you go on like you don't forget them things? They don't have short-term memory. Eh? On the longest term memory now on the head, a time come and PNP, only is a set of bag of vante. Me tell you that on the Jamaica, brother. Because I want to know, we grew up underneath it, bro. We grew up underneath that system, bro. I want to see the difference. You me tell you no? I want to see the difference, G. I want to see it, we live it, we see it, we smell it, we hear everything smell different, brother. You see me? Growing up in them, I can't tell you this. All the things change. People used to just raise fall. For you walk in our community and know say fall or raise and hag. The community stink. Government can change up them system there, bro. You see me? People have to be more sanitized in everything that they do. You see me? You know, smell in the community, you know, smell about a stinking pit toilet or them stinking thing. The country change up, brother. The country a move forward. So why you don't have to put the country back? You don't love seeing Jamaica go back? Jamaica now go back, brother. Look on Trinidad them. Trinidad them a country where we used to run back. You know, Trinidad have to look up to we now. Oh, unemployment rate better than Trinidad one. With net reserve. May I tell you this, if you don't feel like I lie, me I tell you, go Google it. Jamaica net reserve. Higher than Trinidad net reserve. We have more money in our reserve than Trinidad right now. Trinidad a country where in our Caribbean where them used to look down upon Jamaica like we are begging to them. We have more money in our net reserve than Trinidad right now. So why the fuck? So how comes you not come and chat this and chat that? We don't need to go read. We don't need to go read. I make on a pit them read. I ask Google. Put Google upon talk in motion if you don't care read on a big head fool. You make some idiot people a chicken. Eh? But I want to make people a chicken in a modern days like this. PNP, see if you don't care read, put on a phone upon Google and put it upon make Google talk and tell you. Wait, if you not so done. You don't need to read up. Let me tell you no check on the history, bro. And Trinidad have oil. You say me I say West, it say, all right, say for instance, Trinidad, we not have oil, you know. We not have oil come out and we see. We not find that yet. I say for your country we have oil and full net reserve. Stronger than for them. I'm telling you if you go Google it, we have couple millions more than them in our net reserve. You hear me telling you? So how comes them are gonna jump up and down and say Jamaica, brother, I just say workless lazy people. Oh no, workless set a boy, get up and go work now. Could not get up and go work. You mount a work there in a Jamaica phone boy. You don't see site then shorter people. Eh? You don't see the company then shorter people. Eh? Boilers just big one bill one big all that. Boilers never tap employ. I like company then never tap employ. Boy, I mount a house a bill in a Jamaica. I mount a construction site in a Jamaica. Boy, I couldn't go get some brother. Go educate yourself and get a skill there, brother. And stop sitting down and make people chicken and turn in an idiot. Yo, me come from Olava. Remember when Olava just only call Olava town. We not even want KFC. You can't tell you that Olava never have KFC until Labour had come in and put KFC at Olava. Big. Much as big as you see Olava. Olava was struggling. No matter how Mr. Warmington try for this and try for that, then fight him. Boom. Labour had come in and win. Olava one of the fastest developing town in a Jamaica right now. Go check it. You me telling you, I'm more than 4 schemes built up in a Olava in the little time since Labour right come in. More than 4 schemes. You me telling you, about I found 1 to about 5 no harbor. You see me? Plus you have Upper Colbeck. 2 sector house there Upper Colbeck. One scheme there, and 1 scheme there up there. So. You hear me telling you, in a whole other town right now, space not did there for business. Space not did there. The Scotia Bank, where they did there, Scotia Bank, them closed down and you know, say Scotia, them must close down certain things. They must have 1 and 2 big branches. So the Scotia Bank, where they now all have closed down. You know what? China, them buy out that and build one supermarket. Them alone supposed to employ more than 100 or more than 50 young people in a scene. You hear me telling you? You have one truck stop a bill when tire go down. When you come out of all over town, don't I wish for the girl them there so skin out and do them foolish at night time. One truck stop a bill down there. Truck stop. You know, like them truck stop there where they are firing, where truck them go stop and them thing, the one of them are building all over. You hear me telling you? And it's a truck stop and a plaza. A build up in a whole over, me I tell you, know. All over now space, brother. Right now, all over one of the fastest developing town. Me I tell you about my town when I grew up and born in. Things that I come and see in all over, I wouldn't expect it. And all these years we did it, brother. You see me? All these years all over did and suffer in the PNP hand, brother. No matter, I mean I tell you this, you know. PNP is spiteful. Because I can't tell you this, Mr. Warmington. I've been the MP for all these years, but sometimes PNP did especially through the man, Fiesty. Them try to sabotage all over. Them can't sabotage all over no more, bro. You hear me telling you? So all the youth, when they're my age, I don't have a little brother, them on a little cousin, them on make PNP trick them on a fool. And if you don't make PNP trick, on a bigger idiot. Because all the way grew up underneath it, yeah? Me used to go up on my granny, them go look for them. No, I don't like country. You can't tell them this. No, I tell them. Granny used to live on one place. When he Frankfield. You hear me tell her and then she move and go up at T-Shus. So now I'm going to look for my granny at Frankfield. Yo, me can't water till me neck quick. Me not go back up there. So now all the time my grandfather say, me ball. Me not go look for them. Me not carry no water, brother. You hear me tell her? So how comes you not talk? Eh? Not for way. When you watch your parents carry water for 30 and 40 and 50 and year. And when you come up now, come carry water. And when you pick them, come carry water. And one time when you look, boom. One set of people in our community get up and say, yo, we can't take this. Move out the PNP them and put in the labor right them. One term, we don't get water, we don't have road, and we don't have the... So what move from PNP, you know? We don't see PNP I hold on to Jamaica. PNP a category 10 storm. Brother, we don't need to love PNP alone. Red Ground still not have water. Boy, I'm not telling a lie now. So red ground, when I hold on pan a color there. Tell the red ground I want a hunger place. I want a hunger place. Where I love PNP too much, brother. I love PNP up on them place there, so. I can't, man, tell the red ground people. Yo, I love PNP, so. Eh? Oh, no, wall over. Come right about, I want to alone and stuck up be orange flag, bro. Eh? I love PNP too much, brother. Telling you that. I see anything, I'm telling you, walk with the PNP system here. I'm telling you, walk with the PNP system, because I want to know it's enough for you. You want the benefits, but you don't want to vote for your party. You don't want the benefit enough to vote for your party here. Remember me telling you that. Listen, let me tell you this in a charge. See, if you don't love Jamaica, because you don't talk like this is a labor right thing, you know. This is not a labor right thing, you know. This is a Jamaican thing, bro. You hear me telling you? And see, if you don't love Jamaica, and you born and grow in Jamaica, you know, I just automatically say, yo, you know, say the best party for run the country are labor right, because whenever PNP get the whole of the country, they mash up the country and mash up the economy. You don't know that? Eh? But they mash up the country and mash up the economy, I guess, sir. PNP believe in a power, you know. They don't believe in a country, you know. You see me? So, them know say, all right then. What only thing it takes this to control the Jamaican people, them sweeten them. Just like Mark Golden come with. If them in a see, if them did in a power like Andrew Holness and them to give one speech, the first speech them all give out and saying, all right then, Jamaica people have said this and said that. Raise minimum wage to this. Raise that to that. Give them money around this up. You give them some $5,000 on the road. Buy a couple quarter rum. And a couple boom. Walk and throw it special in every cup. Give them something for drink. Buy 2 bags of rice. Throw it one pound and give them. Because that Jamaica people want. After that, we just want to win the government. If it was Mark Golden and PNP was in power now, that them not doing. You feel like them not care about the future of country like Andrew Holness. You feel like them not care about physical deficit like Andrew Holness. They would not care about that. Only thing them not care. So you want win. So here what? Buy them out. Go at every corner. Park up blow PNP van with pay rum. Because that's all them want say youth them want. Brother, the youth them surpass that nowadays, bro. One special and $5,000 can raise my pitney and make my pitney have no future. You hear that? A time for the youth, time for you to start encourage the youth them who are vote for you for self-empower themselves, bro. The time for you to start teach the youth themselves. $5,000 wrap up in a shirt and $2,000 wrap up in a shirt is nothing. You hear me telling you? Time for you to start teach the youth them say, yo, here what? Best way to be a man. Go and get yourself a skill. Why me not see the PNP them can encourage the youth them? Since last the minimum wage and nothing. Caution and the whole of them. Arts free, you know? Brother, arts is not because it's a thing that formed by the Jamaica Labour Party and by Sir Edward Seaga, you know? It's a Jamaican thing. The show no say it never built for the labor right. It built for the country, brother. So why make uno? Why make uno, you know, who I say minimum wage is nothing to the youth them. And uno supposed to know say skill and trade are the way out. Why make uno not encourage the youth them over phone side say yo, here what them? Brother, see minimum wage and I don't really you know, so here what? Why make uno not go get a skill? Art just did there, you know, art free, art a pay, you know. Go and go get a skill, bro. Because when you have a skill, minimum wage is nothing to you. Only thing I tell you them, don't go work. Tell on here, don't do nothing. I work this and I make you then turn work this. No, that's why some work this PNP boy sit down and talk about when Mark Golden win. Money are gonna fall out of the sky. Oh, flour are gonna be cheap, rice are gonna be cheap. Oh, we are gonna shop and get everything free, we're not dead for hungry. Oh no, I'm dead for hungry. Yo, Jamaica should have come like some country where worthless people like Trump will just deport on the back, you know, right in a PNP country, you know. Because them sitting down having on the head fairy tale, brother. Uno come like hairy little cat and the figly cow jump over and moon and then sitting down having on a big head. We on a fool. Eh? All kinds of government, all comes. I sure no idiot. In every country, government changes come with implications. You hear me telling you? So there is no way you ever see a government will change and the opposition will come in and everything will go lost. Boops! Alright, I'll steady. No, the first thing I'm going to tell you say, because them don't have it to say, I tell you this. PNP don't have it to say, Labour right mash up the country and way. And the first thing them are going to say, it want 2 terms or 3 terms to fix up the country. Because this and that, them have to go start put out some new tax. And them have to go tax this. And them have to go, that are the first thing when them all come in to say. So how comes now tell me say, if PNP, if my goal in win, rice I go cheaper, flour, to dear. Everything I got there. Because everything I got new taxes. Tax. PNP best thing when they give Jamaican a tax. They don't give a tax break, you know. They don't tax me. And if them tax you, they don't feel good. They say, yo, you know, say they no ball, tax them again. And if Jamaicans then tax you again. So how comes now go on like PNP do nothing good for Jamaica? And Labour right there on the party can give people tax break and give them back on money. And then sitting there foreign alone. Me used to hear my family then tell me, say, oh, by year end, I'm going to get back my tax break. Wait, get my money. I don't know say why PNP never do that sitting all of these years. What PNP do for Jamaican brother, want to tell me. Someone on the PNP tell me what to do for Jamaica. Tell me. Yo, see me there by my life. See all like PNP them when see come in. Me just laugh off of them because it's true me know them are done. Me not say nothing to them. All them a laugh, me just make them laugh because watch out. There's a true so many educated, sensible labor right there on my life. You see me? And then on the far your page. So the dunce them come over here and say some look and put in some idiot comments in the comment box. Me just laugh. Because I guess so them a show up themselves to how many thousands of people and hundreds of people. Say yo, you know say I idiot them do. So one set of idiot who don't understand nothing. Them just stay in them country and put an orange shirt and run go vote. Let me tell you, because, I say it again, there is no way the Prime Minister can raise minimum wage to a level where the employees them can't pay them employers. It's either goods and services are going to go up or less people are going to start get employed. So, you know what that's going to mean? The unemployment rate is going to go up back. You see me? It's going to go up back. And if some of the business them, if them can't manage what the runnings of Wagwan is either them are going to close down. You see me? And you know we've been there already. It's not like we never been there before. Uncle the don't understand that, you know, because some fool never run a business, you know. You see it? Nah, them never have to pay people before, so they don't understand what it means to have people working for you and you have to pay them. Them don't know what. I'm sure you. Them don't know what is profit. You hear me telling you? Because when you have a business, you know, it's not like true. You see a man have a business and you have one bag of stock in a place, you know. You see me? I'm profiting pay out, you know. So how much out of the profit him have to go pay how much set of people? Eh? Tell me now, who know you have sense? Well, like PNP them have sense. If you never run a business before and understand about a business. You see it? So it's either for the business they keep on a levels and the business owner for him to continue making a profit to certain levels, he have to go increase the service. He have to go increase the price for the service. You see me? So the price for the service, he have to go increase it. Fool chops, you know no sense, man. You don't see anything when you chops, no sense, you know. So if you say me need help, you need more help, because you know no sense. Because if you say when me say you're foolish, you're fool, you're fret. You see it? You know what you need to do? You need to go get a skill. Because you don't. You see it? You don't even know that. There is no way you idiot chops. Me I tell you, sitting a big done said fool boy. There is no way you can raise minimum wage more than where the people, where the employers can pay them employees. The employer, there's no way you can do that. Let me tell you, if, all right, say for instance, you have a bartender. You own one bar, you have one bar owner, boy. You see me? And you have 2 women that work on and off. 3 week on and week off. You see it? So for instance, Andrew Holness raised it to $18,000. $18,000 a week. You see me? You have one bar owner and you have 2 bartender. Tell me what I'm going. What you have to go do? You have to go raise the rum and sit them in the bar. Are you fire one of them have one eye girl in my work? Tell me now. Alright, you own a car wash. And you have 3 look, and you have 2 youth did their work. You own one look wholesale. One of them look wholesale and retail place in your community. You have 3 little girl at work. Why you go on? Tell me now. All of the PNP will have sense. I just asking a question. Uno will have sense. No fool youth. I want to come from people live and act like you don't have brain. You want to eat that, you know? We don't have no sense, brother. You come in the comment box and you type and you don't understand what you type because you have some big set of asshole and you try to mash up Jamaica youth. You hear me telling you? Because you don't have no sense. You just get up and talk about minimum wage, this is minimum wage that. Brother, first thing, I tell you, the Prime Minister have to think about the business owners. You hear me telling you? The Prime Minister have to think about the business owner them. So there is no way you can bring minimum wage way up yourself and the business owner them cannot pay them worker them. You hear me telling you? It's either them have to go fire or me can't tell you, you see said sitting them on and talk about there, them have to go raise them up. So if you don't understand that in our brain and you don't take that into consideration, you have some big bag of yage. I don't know. The government don't pay minimum wage, but the government response is set minimum wage. The government doesn't pay minimum wage, but it's the government set minimum wage. You understand that? I never say government pay it. Take up some people in our box right now for go on. You hear me telling you? Yeah.
Well, PNP that's why the father don't know knowledge to life, you know. You have to go easy with them. You have to start a teacher, you know.
Yeah, alright, watch out now.
Some people
Watch
are
out, I say something to the Prime Minister and let me make it talk. That one you say me if you stop talk shit. So watch out now. You don't have sense, you know. Because you have to say you have friend we have business to pay way more than that. The minimum wage just say you have to pay a minimum wage. That means you can't pay under that. 90% I work them in Jamaica and pay minimum wage.
There's no minimum for maximum wage. You can't agree with them.
Yo, me tell you about them people here. You see it? But you see true man go and come trick them and tell them all type of foolish brother. Them just feel like say, yes, this or this and this or that, bro.
Bro, yeah, people understand the minimum wage. Nobody have to pay. If you come and find somebody pay under that to somebody, they can be charged.
Yeah.
They can be charged.
Yeah, where you need, brother? Are you more? I'm glad to say come up, because you can't. You're one person that know that thing 100%. Go and give them a talk about it.
Minimum wage, you see? Minimum wage is just a baseline set by government for people to get exploited. Right? Minimum wage, I don't want wage where you work all of your life. You work from your 16 till you're 84, you work for minimum wage. No, bro. And you can't legislate for minimum wage because you say rightfully, no, bro. Say minimum wage. You're not supposed to, as we say, you're not supposed to stay there, so you're supposed to advance yourself, upskill yourself. You get a one word.
Big enough.
Yeah, man. One man look for you and say $16,000. You can't say to yourself, say, yo, that now work for me, bro. Because nobody, I really and truly, nobody can live off a minimum wage. No. You're not supposed to expect say you live off a minimum wage, bro. You see me? You start there, so and you know say, alright.
Sorry, Dan. I tell them PNP this year. The reason why none of them don't have a skill trade because PJ party mash up the M90s with the education level.
Yeah, man. Our education level, bro. They know why, bro. That's why one thing I want the government and people to start, to change the dynamic thinking and youth them in Jamaica. I teach economics in a school. You know?
Yourself, do
You get
John.
what I say? So
When
people can understand.
when PJ they put out the welding shop and mechanic shop and electrical shop out of my school, what happened?
Yeah, man. And by the way, see Jamaica, people need to understand what is a free market. I'm going to explain it to you like Sonny, so you can tell them. Free market system how Jamaica run under. What that means, the prices of everything controlled by the seller and the buyer.
Yeah.
Right? If me is a seller, me I sell shoes. So for instance, me I sell shoes. Right? Me can know how much material or equipment me or labor me put in for your shoes, right? And me can come up with a feasible price and say me I sell a shoes for $100, right? And then a buyer will look for me thing and decide say whether or not he can afford it, yes or no, and buy, right? The government the only intervention the government have in that the system there are the tax system, right? So me have to pay the government 15%, 15.5%, or whatever. Me as the buyer, as the seller, earn. So I have to give back the government 15.5% of my earnings. Right? The government can't control my pricing when me come to price my thing when me just bill. And I saw that their economic standard, that's how a free market be. The seller control the price and the buyer control the price. The seller decides, say that they're too expensive, me now buy it. Right? And then the buyer decide whether I'm gonna buy your product, yes or no, right? And the seller decides, say, yo, how am I gonna navigate because him know the work or the sacrifice so input in to get the product off the market, and that is a free market system. That's Jamaica go with it, and it coming with inflation, right? And inflation and tax are the same thing. Come here, people are run and talk about say, yo, inflation and the government I get more money because inflation and tax and inflation are two different things, right? And the government can't control on free market unless you want to live in a dictatorship where government tell us everything costs one price and then that way no international investor now go come in your thing. So you can't tell them people.
Where would I go tell the number? See the people who used to weed peanut ground and machine that can weed peanut ground now. So what the funny people don't know say the headspace, if you talk about some education and headspace, they or PNP where we're upon and talk this and talk that. They don't know to turn on our computer. They figure improve on themselves. And that's what they do.
One just big up yourself, not Joseph.
Big up yourself, Sonny. Bro, me want to say something here. I want wait. Everybody a dissect Andrew and in 28 bank account. But let's dissect Mark Golden for a second. We just want to give a little idea of what we're working with here. Upon research, right, my brother Sonny?
Yes, brother.
Because so boom, I'm find out say him father one doctor we come from England and he was the first doctor for bringing like prosthetic leg and them thing. You get me? So automatically him father upon a standpoint of innovation. Mark Golding going into finance was a level of innovation because you can see with all his ideas that failed, it was innovation. FinSat, whatever have you, innovation. No matter how you put it, you can say he was the best finance manager, MP in the world, whatever you may call it. It was innovation and it failed. He come back with the same idea when he run for prime minister now. I'm gonna innovate. But what he doesn't understand is Jamaica does not need innovation, it needs stability. You get what I say?
Yeah,
stability we are seeking, And that is where the fine line is drawn. People rather a dream versus reality. Andrew is coming with a reality. This is how we have to do it. And then I say, no, you can do more. Mark hasn't even done anything. Mark not do nothing. So how will he say I'm going to be able to do more for the country? I am not going to be voting for either party. And me can tell you right as a straight. Say the $3 million house them don't make no sense. That's innovation, bro. That's a dreaming mentality. Nobody is going to be able to get a house for $3 million. The land itself is $7 million.
I dream that, bro.
I dream that, bro. That's fantasy talk.
Me and you who they like construction, man. Me I tell you,
Bro, I tell you
you
this, Sonny. Me no come here so for bad up on your platform. You see me? But we need to make it make sense. It's either you come to me with the right truth and tell me say, yo, we are doing this away.
Wagwan.
there, man.
You know what I'm saying? Wagwan, Josie. You know what I'm saying this song, yeah?
Hold on your plank. Let me knock off this. Let me knock off over here as a plank. 1 second, bro. Plank. Plank. Yo, make me finish my back there, bro, and then we jump off.
Nah, go hear your man.
Hold on there, Sonny. Mute him real quick, now, Sonny. Let me finish my bro. Acknowledge me again.
Everybody's been new from Kingston down to Westmoreland and over Spanish Town, Clarendon, Manchester. Go ask them done. Kill man, finish the reputation for the 15 million corruption. So they want to run country and they want to bicycle and car man and the money that they keep they want to man but Johnny killing that car work and the man for free birthday for one back in England. All you got right to look come sing this song. Everybody sing please.
Black brother.
Everybody's been low, full of scandal, man, they're full of scandal, man, a pure scandal. The PNP, them full of pure scandal. Remember, the thing scandal, furniture scandal, shell river scandal, motor vehicle scandal, the forex scandal, land scandal, the sand scandal, water scandal, operation, break scandal, Montego Bay, street people scandal, fin sack, and the big scandal.
You know who sing that song there?
Great, excellent, man.
All right. Excellent himself. Yeah, man.
All right, Joshua, go and finish now, Joshua.
Go on,
I'm a big brother named that in a Sonny. My name Joseph, bro.
Sorry, Joseph. Go ahead.
No, that good, bro. Watch out now, bro. It's simple as this, bro. We cannot take innovation right now with stability. We not go nowhere with innovation because we not have enough to innovate. US can innovate because them have enough backing. Them have enough contracts with different countries. Jamaica needs to figure out a way to stabilize its economy first. $16,000. What them I get for minimum wage?
Come now.
I think that is excellent. It can be better, but in time. Everything is in increments. You're not gonna get everything one time. You get me? Infrastructure need to build. Them thing there. People just waste them time at talk about what could it be. But we can't be a utopia until we rebuild. You get me? It don't make no sense, bro.
Infrastructure come, man.
Yes, man. And that's what me believe, you know. Come here, see,
You hear me talk on my platform the other day, you know. You know we need a Jamaica? We need an amusement park. We need an amusement park, Virgin. We have Jamaica have no amusement park, and we need 2 decent casinos.
Yeah, man. You know, me not
2 decent casino.
I want to decent casino. Them things that can bring in only for revenue to the government.
Yeah, man, for the water.
I want casino, the Bahamas, you know. The Atlantis, you know. Me go there, you know. Virgin and they make money like a war, you know.
Yeah.
But this is how we have to do it for we casino. You win the money in a Jamaican.
Plank, I think them things they're coming in, just like
Plank,
Joseph.
them they are come plank. Cause what's no plank?
Yeah.
The money have to structure so that the investor can look on the landscape of Jamaica and decide say when he look
You
up
win the
on
money.
And the
yeah,
infrastructure. From
yeah,
the
man.
infrastructure build up.
Yeah, man, when you
Yeah.
look on Jamaica, you know, and decide, say, you want $2 billion invest in a Jamaica and can make back on 10 billion.
Win the money. You win the money in a Jamaica. If you want take your money to go US, you change it out.
All right. You see me?
Yeah.
So, and with the panic trajectory for that because it did to GDP ratio good on, bro. We had point for 60, bro. You get what I say? So,
I understand.
it again look power to it, even though, you see me, the PNP them treat it like
Virgin, the
don't
money, the money is stable for more. For last year, money stable, Virgin.
yeah, man, even though
Stable
PNP
can't
them they
move.
treat it like one dirty rag.
Yo,
You get
if
what I say?
PNP didn't have power 100 US, that'd be all 30,000, you know.
God. God.
Yeah,
So,
man, remember saying, one at a time, you know, them in a set to devalue the dollar better for the country.
Don't matter, the value what kind of dollar, Virgin?
in a
Yeah,
deep,
that much of the country.
yeah,
Yo, Jose.
if all have to have strength, bro, when Amazon decides say look at Jamaica and decide say yeah man we can drop a factory down there so a man can say me I drop a mall there so you get what I say or a man decide say yeah man we can up more financial institute there so cause that I got money I got turn. But if a man look and decide say when him a go push him money there so he just a go lose or him a
Yeah,
go
some
make
Jamaican
10
come
cents,
together and open up a own Amazon.
Virgin,
Eh?
the crime. If you go down more and more investor come in, man.
At that, man. At that. The more the crime
Investor on the road, Virgin.
Prime
the more the
Minister.
crime go down,
Prime
man.
Minister. Prime Minister.
May I hear you?
I live in a place near West Philadelphia, Virgin. West Philadelphia have more crime than Jamaica. I see them build Amazon here.
No, but the place I hope I came around here from the Virgin. And I can Jamaica thing different than
Oh.
Virgin.
No, say
Yes,
that.
sir.
The more crime they right here so than where they are Jamaica in a one day.
To me right now, the crime is so much about the infrastructure, right? Infrastructure.
yeah man,
What?
but this a government I believe in a infrastructure, you know, so much new road they connect, right?
One
You know, man from Mandeville, you know. Right, when you say infrastructure, a good chat you make, you know, because
Yeah.
one man now go put one business in Jamaica and the vehicle them and mash up. It
One
has
stop
to
build up.
Anywhere you wanna go.
3 years we drive from one point of the line to next
100
part.
life.
Yo,
Josie can tell you, excellent can tell you, you know too. I don't know which part Prime Minister there. Prime Minister. I don't know if a Jamaican they are overseas. Any country where you go in any state where you look up in a ear and be a crane you see. How you call that?
all right.
When they are Jamaica the other day. When me go to Jamaica, everywhere me drive, me see a new building I put up. Bring up in a ear where me never used to see. I slowly but surely, my friend. We're going to see what I got.
I say we're there on the trajectory, man, for people
Yeah,
look
man.
on Jamaica and say, you know,
We're there on the right.
On the right part, man.
Come on, we're
We're
going
on the
right
part,
part,
man.
Virgin.
Brother, when me left Jamaica in 2019, Zin, they did a build one road from Westmoreland to Mobile. And me I tell you right now, bro, the way how they cut you out, me I see all 3 car can fit on it. Me never drive back on it since, but me just I say, from what I seen,
A 3 lane
and
road
that
have
a
now.
2019, bro.
3 lane and 4 lane road have a Jamaica now, man.
Yeah, man, me I see it, bro. That's what me I tell you, say, like, me understand where them are come from. There's no way them can invest in a certain things and certain things not done yet. Foundation first.
Yeah, if you
They go down to Miami Bay if you go down to watch it, Miami Bay if you go to Mobile, when you look on the place, it's like it's a different lane a bit.
Yep, all right. One time I used to take 2 hours. If me have not come in big from town, me have to lock my shop. It used to take me 2 hours, 3 hours to go out town. You know, say I all day settings, cause even if we go and come back, you know, I think about that. Right
No,
now,
From where 100 life.
from Manchester to Kingston.
Brother, you know, say, somebody did I tell me other day, and 2 hours to go a town from St. anymore, 45 minutes. Me I say, how?
All right.
No, man,
Yes.
Me I say, what?
No, me not hear who win yet. We not going to hear that until about 10 o'clock.
A 45 minutes to take from St. and go a Kingston, you know?
Yeah, man, and then think they're good for business.
Oh, you mean, bro? Come
Yeah, that's
start
what
up
I'm
the
telling
business in a Kingston
Yo,
and live in a
Joseph.
St. Ann.
Josie,
That's what I'm telling us. The whole of them, what are the plan?
Yeah.
Whole of them, Miami Bay, so for go down, call we are go back down to Mobile, brother. Be a building, man.
We are Jacksal. We go cut out right out of Jacksal, you know, Josie.
For Jacksal, go all the way down.
A Jacksal is stopping up. So you just want to jump on the front Jacksal, it carry right back a Mapen. No car Clarendon. If you don't know where you are, though, you head up a Mandeville. If you don't know this, you exit them.
Yeah. Yeah, tell them money. That them thing they decide whether or not the country will go forward, man. When them kind of major
One
infrastructure.
leg of building on, one leg of building from Mandeville, come cross Black River. Junction Black River go down.
Right through the country, them a build a highway, man. Right through the country, Virgin.
That's beautiful.
What do you attack? What do you attack? What the same thing when you attack? You know, because my family is stay town, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
What do you attack? What it?
But you don't understand, look better than I tell you.
It's small. All of
It's
this.
a different world, brother.
That's why you see me be a bush, brother. When I fastest up building, when I fastest place that I see build up, brother.
Yeah, man. Fast is growing.
But out of Jacksal, you attack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
May I tell you, me left and got me there foreign. Me there Jamaica every minute, Virgin. And when me come to Bupan, me there when the courts and everything are built. Me come down and me drop me fly Mobile. And then 2 times me fly Kingston. And one day when me fly, me I said to my Virgin, say, yo, I want some KC, me could go in a Oche. That time in August last year. And then when man say, Ochi, what we are going to Ochi go do? I say, me need some KFC because I'm hungry. Man say, Virgin, we are tap out of Jackson. Virgin, it's only tap out. Me say, line long like a Alcan train, Virgin. And Lynch did me have to go get KFC, Virgin.
Yeah, man, you can't wait that line.
Yeah, because remember say one hotel bill right and mommy bill the same.
Yo, the place nice, Virgin.
And a nice
Place
bad man.
nice.
Whole heap of big house on that side there and house down there, some building business place like factory, right?
If they
Yo,
give it a chance, Jamaica will become a utopia, brother.
And you know when I
You know when some houses start investing in excellent,
Yeah.
them drive-through car wash there.
I true you talk.
For Florida, yeah, they have them attached to the gas station.
Right.
You know when I business plan, I that look pan in a plank. So myself personally say me I want little money in I kick you put where you know. Me I say it could have make sense. Me put one loop station somewhere in Jamaica, you know.
Like, you know, say,
One
that
loop
thing-
station.
that thing
Like
about one
where
and a
one man can just drive in, get in oil change and he gone about in business.
Oh, man,
That's
yeah,
the
you know, like a Pep Boys type of thing.
Pet boys
Yeah.
I talk about.
Yeah man, I wanna
That would have tough, man.
That thing
like, I think about one thing now, you have all- when the car come out, you have all some
I
nice
cannot
sexy
feel
girl
one
and some
day.
shots and you have to carry.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah, man. You have all the girl, you have all the woman them at the vacuum. And when they go pay a woman them to vacuum, then carry to man.
Sonny,
man.
don't worry about it, dog. Them now hold no meds in a dog. The country are going in a good direction.
I know
You
the
see.
problem with people now look at the but or Andrew Holness. Them are going like Andrew Holness did clean when he get the thing though. You man have to fix up
Brother,
wait.
the country was failing, bro.
Because you know, remember,
Okay,
you know,
no
like
was-
as
no
my
was
man
failing in the country.
rightfully
Yeah.
point out, you know, man rightfully point out, say, well,
Why,
infrastructure.
Josie, I gonna give you credit, you know, I give you credit because first when me I listen to you, you did mutual in a youth. You're mutual like you ever ride a bicycle yet and the dog lie down in it.
And he now pedal. He now pedal backward now.
The man still neutral, but I'm talk the truth.
Yeah,
No,
man,
him see the facts. Him see the
Me see the
facts,
facts, man.
Him see it, Virgin.
Me can't be fake to it, you know.
Plank through we party and give we no room to tell no lie for hype up.
No, we not tell lie,
You
Virgin.
know, I feel lie, but not, you know, I feel like say, you know, say I lie, me have to go tell, so could me take myself out and like, no, bro, once it fucks there in front of anybody,
Yo,
bro.
I want to tell you, say, I jump up, you know, I say, I got turn on my life. I look, you know. Me say excellent, I want to be artist, Virgin, I know a long time. I say, you know, I'm going to go work, you know. And I say, I go see who live and I see Gawain. And I say, you know, I come give Gawain a strength. Because I know Gawain not and too long, he's soon gone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Soon gonna live up for up on the work, man. I say,
Yeah,
man.
yeah,
I
man.
understand.
Me like endorse Gawain because Gawain is a youth
Yeah,
just
man.
like me and I two we group we are trying to make
Yeah,
the
man.
reality of the situation. But we
I
know
understand, Virgin.
nobody making mistake, but we are
No,
consistent.
from Thursday, PNP, them are hiding a Virgin. You know, see all that the Chichiban one day say no more flagging till due time.
Yeah, man. The week
The
out, man.
gay Brian she.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Can you send the water down?
Yeah, man. Fox
Yeah,
are beat
man.
them bad, man. Fox are
Because
beat
him
them bad.
boyfriend go over when name ya? The nasty one the when Granny dash him in a McGregor gully man. Andre Stefano Stevenson man.
Yeah, Fish Stevens.
Yeah. Mark Strolling go over there go show. Say him a show. Him a show him paperwork. So him Bex. Must have film platform Mark Strolling should have come on. He should have go over a fish pot.
Oh,
I want fish pot to another fish pot, brother.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
And next time beat the one goal in bad too on the internet.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Remember, say Nesta Carter did the Pampunkus like yesterday all day,
Yeah, man,
brother.
we did that with them, man, chat to them, man, and I make you know, say, man, think the
Yeah, man.
thing govern, bro.
Them boy,
Yeah,
they
man.
don't
But you see,
understand
they
themselves.
them a boss one new style in a plank. Them a boss one style where them a try if you say they want to work in a their constituency, but the JLP a whole funds span them, you know. That style, let me see them with.
No, remember saying PNP a sabotage, you know, Virgin.
Yeah, man.
PNP a sabotage, you know. In my constituency where I come from, you know. In my division, you know. Because Gila member of parliament over as from your baby. Me 46 now. And from your baby, I understand myself about Bobby Pickers Gila member of parliament. And he never done no. You have one road, one place near Wakefield. Never fixed. From me know myself, Virgin. Then do a throw mal panny. When rain fall, it on puddle. But you can't peace people. So you PNP.
The thing I tip out like yeah, jive, bro. You can bad spot.
Them there. Wicked, them wicked, man.
Man, see a
Yeah, man,
G.
cause
The
they know
country
say
run good.
can create a bad spot with him.
Brother, let me tell you something, bro. Me I go through,
Drive, man.
me I go through the wickedest parts of TikTok, you know. Me never know say so TikTok political. And me tell you something, bro. From what me see, me speak to a bunch of PNP, a bunch of JLP, and me come to one conclusion. Me don't know how much them a pay them boy they over the other side, bro. But them definitely a pay them a lot. They have to be paying them a lot, Plank. When me come over here to Sunny Live, me have to turn off my awareness so nobody knows them over here. Because I don't want them bringing negativity. Them man there, bro, me don't know what them a get paid, but them a get paid a hefty sum, bro.
Yeah, man, yesterday I get 200,000 2 week or a week, you know.
Sonny in the hero, them a change their mode. If boy, you know, the finance minister boy contact boy say, hear him in a parliament. He's a content creator, TikTok, YouTuber, $1 billion say in a parliament, you know, me even listen to it back, you know. He come on TikTok and I change him up about a music.
Him not even say make him put the 1 million to education.
$1
billion.
$1 billion, yeah.
1 billion. Let me tell you something. When you say education, we talk this morning from Black King Live. Education reach a far way, brethren. From Andrew Holness, an education minister.
Yes, man.
Education reach a far way. When me go to school, you know, man, when me left school 97, you know, we have some brethren, you know, when I exam time, you know, all them man, they do a pull on the head from the table, you know, and sleep, you know. till exam done, you know. Then give back teacher a paper without marks, man, you know. Them come to school like a bull and come out like a Johnny cake in a virgin.
Yeah, man.
You understand
Yeah,
what I
man.
say? No illiterate picnic no born again, virgin. Every picnic we are born right now, born literate.
Do that.
You understand? Remember,
Don't
no?
see- don't
Remember
see-
remember back in the days, you know, when I saw an entrance, you know. Look how life used to go, you know. Remember when I come on entrance time, you know, 10 somebody out of the grade 6, you know, get picked, figure out, do common entrance, you know. And when you go do common entrance, you know, do common entrance for your school. You have to left and go a different school with too much picnic and walk and look on the desk and find your name and go sit down and do the common entrance, you know. Remember, see, I saw education you to go back in the 90s, you know, virgin. No, picnic stay at their own school. The whole school at the PEP, GSAT and all them things they come up. Everybody choose a good school from them own school. Education gone a far away, brethren.
And yeah, man. And we
And
not
I'm better is there to come.
I'll be alright.
You understand? So we can't beat education.
We can't beat him, man.
The problem in education are the teacher, them brethren. Me I tell you.
The teacher them.
I teacher them are the problem. Me I tell you no.
Watch out.
Like, I don't think it's a
I
teacher
can't
alone.
solely blame me teacher them, you know, because when we talk to some of them, we can't understand what's going
About
on.
the parents,
It's the
them.
It's just a community effort as far as
Nation, me not pay you no man in a nation because from the other night, my teacher, my sister, you don't really have no sense, you know. So me not really pay you no mind.
Let me tell you something about them boy up on the app, dog. I mean, I'll be real with you. Me is just a civilian. Me not give a shit. Let me tell you, me just want the country to be
Hold
a
on,
better
Kizzy,
place.
what you say? Warren.
Warren won.
Warren won.
But
Big
you
up yourself,
understand,
Kizzy.
when the man them
We
are
didn't know say I'm
reason,
gonna win, man.
Plank, when the man them are reason, them not reason with sense.
Me tell him the other night, you know, when him come on over your mother, you know. And him say, never switch on turn labor. I said, not do that.
Who?
Not do that. The same youth are in the nation.
National.
Right,
Me say, not do that. National. Me say, not do that. You have to know it for yourself. And you see when it comes to yourself, pow. You want a pow.
No worry about him, bro. As me say, bro.
He man upset me, man.
Bro, me talk to these
Upset me,
people
brethren.
every day and more me realize, say, brother, they not no sense. Bro, the way all good them and all of them deal with them case, me I say, yo. And me can speak from a non-biased place, bro. When me say, if they came with a better story, me that probably believe it. But it just not add up.
Not know where they say
When such man tell me about the $3 million house, me 100 life I laugh.
They almost laugh, bro. What that day? What kind
Me
of
100 life I laugh. Me say 100 life. You hear this?
Bro, watch out now. Land coming like gold, you know, bro. You have to understand. Me a piece of land at Jamaica. Land coming like gold. You see, today this year, right, at $6 million fee land, you just know, say, me not agree. Me not sell it to a bank. Me just a chill. Me a hold me thing. You see, next 10 years, I $8-9 million fee same piece of land. So when this money I go tell you, say, I'm going to sell your house for $3 million. Because you know why? Because as an investor, you know, when people are sell things, you know, they kind of put their weight self in one position where they can
My man just tell you I was 3 million.
Yeah, man.
Informal Sacramento. I'm
Yeah.
Capture land.
Capture land, bro. I'm going to send back, sell back Jews when they want rent them one house where they can't pay rent for. Right? When you rent can't pay, you know, how you go? How you going to get them off island?
Oh my God. I don't know, star. Some people, I don't know, but sometimes I just wonder how PNP really say PNP after when they do Jamaica kind of. Yeah, that's
Another thing me can't agree with is the narrative that everybody should own a house. No. While I do believe that everyone should be able to buy a house, and not everybody capable of owning a house.
Voilà.
That's just reality.
How much?
Allow me to tell.
How they sell steel? How they sell steel now?
Big up yourself,
Right on.
kid.
How much for a ton of steel?
100 grand.
100 grand?
Yeah.
And if you have it at least 10,000, how much ton of steel you are going to need? Oh, that remember, under the regular trade steel, you are going to use at least 10,000. No?
About 5 ton, man. About 5 ton.
About 5 ton.
No,
yeah,
man,
gonna
5
need.
ton enough, you know. 5 ton enough, Gary, man. 5 ton enough.
Then they
Well,
got
Ton of steel can
Give
build
me
a
say,
decent
give
house,
me say,
brother. 1 ton of
what
steel
win?
can build a nice upstairs and downstairs.
No,
What
man.
you win?
Yeah, man, enough steel, man.
No, man,
Ton and a half,
no.
ton and
You
quarter.
can't.
Ton and quarter.
Watch out, listen me I tell this, bro.
Yeah.
If it deck one house top, 1 2 room, listen, 1 2 room with 2 bathroom, with 1 bathroom. Nothing want to put 2 bathroom.
Living room and veranda.
Living room and veranda. About 2 ton of steel, nothing about that.
Chill out, brother. Chill out.
300,000.
Steel at the rain.
Eh?
Enough steel at the bro.
Nah, man, not enough steel. 120 steel all in a 1 ton, you know.
129 ton.
120.
20 steel.
Chill out, man. Chill out.
Blessed one coming out. Blessed one coming out.
Yo, bro, and them at so and how much for 1 ton? 300?
Yeah.
No,
Bro, the
100,000.
Let me tell you how PNP reason
What free?
100,000
If somebody says, see David, what they say, 125,000.
for a ton. So if you do
25
ton, if you do the maths, that I was 600,000.
Over my side, 100 feet.
Chill out to build a nice house. A nice 3-bedroom with 2 bathrooms and so forth.
Yeah,
Bro, but 3.5 ton is 400 plus thousand.
Yeah.
Cancel that because of the steel, please.
And if you mix them, you have to mix them.
375. You'd have be 375,000 because
I think you-
125. Would have be 375 for the 3 ton of steel.
I still have to mix 15 with some 1 inch away, 1
You have
inch.
to use 1 inch and binding wire and all of them sitting there. So, how you gonna get a house for 3 million? How you gonna buy a house for 3
But
million?
that man they are chat shit.
plus,
Nah,
plus,
Oh,
black,
no,
them,
man.
plus, black,
man.
Cheers.
black,
How much 100 block? How much 100 block?
Beg your minute.
18,000 difference.
Cheers, and 5
God
years of
bless it.
So as a builder, I guess my name Sonny kind.
17,000.
Hold on, guys. Sonny kind of right.
17,000 depends on about 6 inch or 8 inch.
Just hold on now.
Hold on, kindly.
As a builder, somebody mentioned 3.5 ton of steel can build a 2-bedroom house, and no, it can't. If to deck a roof alone using 1/2 inch will take you about 2 ton of steel, 1 3/4.
That's Sonny said.
Me tell you, man.
Just for the roof, but remember you have lintel, you
Wall.
have built-in, you have
Built in,
walls,
yeah.
foundation, you have flooring. You
Jano, bro.
have
So you look on a good 5 to 6, maybe even 7
5
ton.
ton of steel. So
Say, just give me grace. Just be graceful and say 5 ton.
so I would say 4 ton of steel.
Steel alone around about 2 million.
Yeah, that's why I say 5 ton.
Yeah.
I would make it simple and say 4 ton of 1/2 inch and 1 ton of 3/8. Because then you use the 3/8 to like stir up, and you use it to mix in between the.
Yeah, 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch or 3/8.
No man, 1 inch. Then you're gonna talk about
Yes,
1
sir.
ton of steel.
Right, that's you look on actually 600, 700,000.